Hi everybody, this is Shirin Lieberman with Luxe Estates and Lifestyles, and I'm here with Matt Graham with SWBC, and today we're going to talk about the Nevada Hardest Hit Fund. It is a really exciting program that is for Nevada homeowners that was kicked off on Tuesday. So Matt, can you tell me a little bit more about the program for our homeowners?
Sure. So there was a fund, and we'll just go into it a little bit. The government had gotten some money from our state government, from the federal government, following the last crash. They had introduced this pretty much exact same program 2 years ago in May, and they had $56 million, which was used up. Apparently there's $17.9 million extra, and so they've released that. It happened on Tuesday. You can get up to $20,000, 10% of the purchase price of the home, not to exceed $20,000. Basically, for most people, if you're buying a first-time home, it'll cover your 5% down payment and your closing costs.
Now, the big question will be here is it only for first-time home buyers?
It's not. You just can't currently own a home when you close on this loan. So if you've done an entry-level home and you want to sell it and try to get this money as well, as long as that closed first, there's some other stipulations on this. One of those is there's certain zip codes that are covered because they were actually the hardest hit zip codes in the valley, but there's 20 zip codes that are covered, so
That's a lot, right?
A huge chunk of the
Right,
valley.
that'll definitely cover a lot of people. Now, in this rate, I understand it is a 30-year fixed rate.
Correct.
So you're not going to have to worry about any type of adjustable rates. And there are a few limitations, like the house has to be under $400,000.
Correct.
Okay, and then I understand that the income limit, you can't make more than $98,000. Is that correct?
$98,500 for the household. Basically, anyone living in the house 18 years or older, their income would be counted for it.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah, which is kind of a new thing. But the great thing about it is usually with a home is possible or a bond program that would be used similar to this, the interest rate that comes with it is much higher, and the income limitation is 80% of the county median income, which is about $54,000. So they're allowing a lot higher income, even though they're counting everybody.
Right.
And the interest rate coming with this program, what we've seen posted is in the mid threes. So it's a fantastic rate.
That's really good. I mean, you can't get that with some of regular conventional loans.
No, you gotta have a 760 credit score to get that same rate
No
right
kidding.
now.
Awesome. Well, I'm sure there's going to be a ton of questions surrounding this, but this is really exciting. The fact that there's only $17.9 million available, this is going to run out really, really quickly. I know 2 years ago I had clients take advantage of it, and it lasted, I don't know, what was it, 2-3 months that the money lasted originally?
For 3 months it was easy to get. After that it was a scrap. For the last, some would be released. They'd say, all right, we got X amount. Basically you had about 4.5 months where it was available. Right. This is just under half of that.
So we're looking maybe a month, 2 months?
Yeah, the first month you're probably safe. If you go beyond that before you not only get into contract, but you need to get through underwriting to reserve your funds. If you just take the 17.9 and you divide it by the 20,000, it's like 895 people can get it. There'll be a few people that buy below 200.
So definitely, if you are interested, jump on this immediately. I can definitely help you throughout the process. And Matt is always a wonderful resource and always gets the deals done for all of my clients and his other clients. Well, thanks for joining us, Matt. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. And we'll talk to you very soon. Again, if you have any question, message us down below in a comment, or feel free to send us a PM. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Have a great day.